Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to properly do the framing of your 2x4 studs, and specifically we're going to discuss the corner. So how do you do the corner? So we've got this 90-degree corner here. We're going to put 2x4 right at the end of it. So you can, we're using horizontal one here, so we put right at the end of it. You can also use this one here and put right at the end of it. So that's step one. Step two is we're gonna put another 2x4 and we're gonna put it perpendicular to it. So align, use a little mallet here. Okay, so we put this one perpendicular to it. We're gonna attach it to the top, attach it to the bottom with 3-inch screws. The screws that we're using are construction screws here. So just like this, 3-inch screws. You can get them in any home hardware store. We're gonna attach it at the top, at the bottom, and we can also attach it here on the sides. So these two pieces will be nice and snug together. Now the third piece, we're gonna attach right over here and connect these two as well. So this goes, basically this goes at the end of this, if you can see, at the end of this piece, right? So it's gonna go right here. Alright, we're going to connect here at the top, connect at the bottom. And what we can do now is, again, attach to the top, attach to the bottom, make sure it's leveled, right? We're using the level, right? So it's perfectly leveled and it's nice and straight. Measure the level from all angles, not just, you know, this, but also this side. Okay, and then we're gonna attach top, bottom, attach it to these one, and so we have this little piece made out of 3 2x4 studs. The reason why we need that is because we're gonna have a corner here, and you need the corner to have something like this, and where you have wood in the corner, because we're gonna be attaching drywall. And this is really for your drywall screws. It's not for the stability of the corner, right? It's for those drywall screws that are gonna go here for this drywall, this wall here, and then here for this wall. So that's pretty much it. That's how you attach it. Like I said, if you start from the other side, it's the same idea. You just flip it around. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.